Yeah, I thought I'd make a short little video of how I lock my tailgate so no one can get in it. I don't know if anyone's ever done it this way, but I'm just trying to find the best way to keep my tailgate locked or from getting taken. If you look here, you can't open it at all. And so what I installed was just a simple little gate latch. As you can see right here, I just drilled a hole in there, get a padlock on there, and then fully locks it in there. And that's just kind of how I mounted it, like that. And you can see I had to drill 2 holes to get through both layers, and I wasn't interfering with anything. I don't think I didn't affect anything as far as the integrity or stuff like that. And it was a perfect match in there. There's no play, and it works really well. I did thread. I drilled the holes out, and then I did a tap and tapped those in there, and then I put in the like a Loctite just to reinforce that, because the metal's not that thick. And so I just wanted to add a little extra, because I really don't need to take those bolts out once I got everything lined up and confirmed that it worked. And that's about it. And it works really good. So if you shut it, see if I can get that in there, and then just push that right into the latch, and it goes all the way in there. And there's just like no way you can open up this tailgate. You know, even if you got in here, maybe you had bolt cutters, it'd be kind of an awkward angle maybe to get the big old bolt cutters in there, you know. And plus it adds a little security too, because even if they were to get in through here, or if they tried to open this to break this or something, I don't know. I'm just trying to add as much or the least amount of worry as I can if I go camping or something like that. So I thought it was a pretty good idea. Also, I had to replace the this up here. I just got that on Amazon. I just siliconed it all in there. I didn't want to use that double tape stuff they use, and then I just ran the lines up through here, up to the top. See if I could show that. And then as far as the dome, I got rid of the dome thing that was in here, and I just kind of glued this in. And this is controlled by a remote, you know, and you just tap this to turn it on and off. I got to replace the batteries.